I'm not a rider myself.
Our riders, as we embark on this initiative of supporting the motorsport industry to really showcase the breathtaking landscape of our country, Kenya. We diversify our tourism offering as a Kenya Tourism Board. We believe that working with the motorsport industry will really support us to get into the desired numbers. As a KTB, we've supported before, but we are now going a notch higher by partnering with the organizers and the federations that support the motorsport adventure. We want to target at least 10,000 riders from across the continent to come to Kenya and experience the diversity that we have to offer as a country. The tourism sector is picking up really post-COVID, and we have a bigger target to really land a minimum of 3 million tourists by end of the calendar.
Of unveiling a new 1300 GS motorbike, which is the edge of the innovation for the BMW Motorrad. Today we have a big community of BMW biking enthusiasts and those who are really into the experiencing the new 1300. So really happy moment for the whole team. We're preparing for some time, and we hope that by that launch will give biking enthusiasts in Kenya absolutely new riding experience.
The thing about it is that Fizz comes with a lot of advanced features. It prides itself on a 1300cc. We have quite a lot of advanced features in terms of the riding modes. We have 4 dynamic riding modes. It's the first bike that has the automatic adjustment. Very positive and good feedback in this market.
Na thirikari nene